Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to Moorish Cuisine. Today I'm sharing two delicious chutney recipes for Ramadan which can stay in the fridge for up to 3 to 4 weeks. Or if you're thinking to freeze them, today I'm sharing how to freeze these chutneys which you can use later after Ramadan as well. So let's go and make it happen. So first I'm making imli ki chutney, tamarind chutney, or it's also called sont chutney. I'm taking some tamarind in a bowl and pour some hot water on top of it. When water cools down, I'm squeezing the pulp out of it, and then I will throw away all the extra seeds or that extra stuff in there. Then I transfer this tamarind pulp into a saucepan, and now I'm adding some brown sugar. You can add jaggery as well, roasted and crushed cumin, black salt, sont, dried ginger powder, and crushed red peppers, and salt. And then I add a little bit of water, mix everything well, and then transfer the saucepan onto your stove and start cooking until your chutney will thicken and then get glossy. When this chutney cool down, it thicken a little bit more. So I transfer this chutney into a jar, and my tamarind chutney is ready for Ramadan. Now I'm making hari chutney or green chutney or cilantro mint chutney. So I'm adding some tamarind pulp into a blender jug with some green chilies, cilantro leaves, and mint leaves. Now adding some salt, chaat masala, and sugar. Start blending with a little bit of water and add water little by little until it comes to your desired consistency. This chutney is often you mixed with yogurt and served as a chutney yogurt, but I use this chutney as a side as well. Transfer it into a jar, and these chutneys are ready for Ramadan. But as I promised, I'm gonna share how to save this chutneys and put them in the freezer for later use. For that, take a ice cube tray and then a tablespoon to 2 tablespoons according to your household need. Transfer this chutney into this ice cube tray. This way, whenever you need a chutney, just take one cube, thaw it, and then your chutney will be ready for your need. So just cover it with a plastic wrap and freeze it until it's completely frozen. So here are my chutney ready for Ramadan. If you're trying this recipe, please let me know how it turned out with you with the hashtag Ramadan with Moorwish. If you want to learn something else, let me know. Leave me a comment down below and I will try my best to make it happen for you guys. Please remember me and my family in your prayers. Once again, thank you so much for watching. If you like this recipe, click on the links to enjoy a lot more recipes like this.